Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow June bugs, thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Today is day 23 of our handbag unboxing frenzy, where every single day this month I have been sharing and revealing a bag that I've added to my collection in the last several years that I'm only finally getting around to sharing with you guys now. It is final week, as I mentioned, and I'm really trying to step it up this week with some more special bags. And today I have got another special unboxing because we have got a double Chanel unboxing. Just to spice things up a little bit, I thought I would do two. I really have so many bags that I could keep sharing with you. It's a shame that actually this month is coming to an end, so I thought I'd do two today because it is the final week, so why not make it a little special. And they are both bags that I've added quite a few years ago actually. One of them I added, I believe, in 2019, just before COVID started happening, and the other one I added in the middle of COVID. So both really quite special bags, and I'm excited to share them with you. But if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is June. I'm a doctor by day, but I do make YouTube videos in my spare time. If a daily handbag unboxing is something that excites you, please consider joining my little YouTube channel by subscribing and also hitting the notification bell. And if you don't already know, I do post a lot on my Instagram. That's where I show you guys how I wear and style these bags, so please go ahead and give me a follow on there. That is where I post a lot of my fashion related content, so if that's something you're interested in, that's where you'll find it. Alright you guys, double handbag unboxing. I'm actually a bit short on time today, so I'm going to try and get through this really quickly. So the first bag that I think I'll start off with is this one right here. So this is a purchase that I made quite some time ago. It was definitely more of a spontaneous purchase because when I saw it, I just thought it was such a great price. In saying that though, it's not in the best condition, but it is something that I sort of wanted to add for a little while. It is quite expensive to add something like this into your collection, and I kind of just jumped the gun on this one. Kind of dressed according to the bag, so I wonder whether you can tell what it is, but let's just get onto the unboxing. Are you guys ready? Please welcome my latest Chanel edition, and that is the it is the Chanel Classic Flap in the size medium large in the black and white tweed, and this has ruthenium hardware. It actually has the white straps there, and then opening it up, it's actually got a white interior. So I've always wanted to add a tweed bag to my collection, and when I saw this for the price, I kind of just took it as an opportunity to add it. I think this is great because it's a nice neutral color. It's black and white, and so that's why I've got a little black and white outfit with me at the moment. Very Chanel-esque, and when I purchased this, all the tweeds I think were just sort of really popular at the time. This I managed to get for a pretty reasonable price of just under 4,000, so 338 I think, which, because it's a Chanel Classic Flap in tweed, that's a pretty reasonable price. In saying that, this isn't sort of the most amazing condition bag because it has mostly a white base. You can see that it is a little bit, I don't know, like discolored, I guess. You can't really tell so much on the camera. I do wonder whether that's something that I can take to the bag spa to have, I guess, cleaned up a little. I do think that the flap here has been recolored, and you can even see here the interior has, I feel like the interior has been recolored a little bit as well, because the Chanel hot stamping has sort of faded there. It is still in really good condition. This did not come with the authenticity card. It does have the serial sticker though. It's quite plain, but it is tweed, so I kind of wanted to just give it a go and see how I like it. It's a beautiful neutral color, and it comes with the ruthenium hardware, which I think is quite nice and a really fresh take on this bag. That's why you can tell with my outfit today, I'm sort of matching it a little bit. But let me show you what this looks like. This suit is something I've had for forever. I think I got it from misguided. Yeah, I've had it since like 2015, 2014, and I'm still wearing it. But this is how it looks like. Now, I don't know if I'd actually wear it together like this. Maybe. I'm not 100% sure. Tweed with the little short suit would be so cute. So yeah, that's my little tweed moment. Now, as I said, you guys, I am trying to stray away from adding any more size 25s to my collection, but this was definitely more of an opportunistic purchase because of the price and honestly the colorway. Tweed come in a variety of different colors and none of them really spoke to me because I did want like a black and white tweed personally. I didn't mind whether it was silver or gold. Obviously I prefer gold, but I think this ruthenium hardware is a little bit different. It isn't silver, it is ruthenium, so it does sort of make it a little bit more casual and just a bit more relaxed. But yeah, you guys, that is my tweed bag. Let me know what you guys think of this unboxing. Do you own tweed? What do you think of tweed? I couldn't tell you if this will stay in my collection for a long time, but you know, it's something just worth trying and experimenting with. And for me, I always have to try an item or a bag for me to know if it's for me or not. And I mean, at the end of the day, I can always resell this if I really wanted to. But let me know what your thoughts are on tweed. Do you own tweed? Do you like tweed? Please comment in the comments section below. And moving right along to our second Chanel unboxing, and it is in this dust bag. This is not the dust bag that it came with. I don't even think this came with a dust bag because it is actually a little vintage number. You guys know I love my Chanel vintage bag. I just love the silhouette of this and I kind of just wanted to add it into my collection. But yeah, let me just stop rambling and show you the bag. Please welcome my vintage Chanel, and that is the it is the Chanel Kiss Lock bag with the fringe tassel on the side and the Chanel CC right there. I think that this was such a precious little vintage bag. I don't know what it is about these Kiss Lock closure bags. I think that they are so sweet. This comes with a chain. Unfortunately, it isn't detachable, but it is the perfect length for me to wear as crossbody or on the shoulder. I know this looks vintage and it does give like grandma vibes, but I kind of love that. I really love that about this one. And I really like the tassel. It's so gorgeous. It's got like CC on the tassel. This kind of reminds me of the bag that Natalie has. I'll put her link in the info bar below. Hers is just got like massive CCs and it's also got the tassel. I love that bag, although you know she says you can't put a phone in it. This bag you can fit a phone though, thankfully. So I've got the iPhone and you can just slip it in there really easily without a case. Let me just go through the details of this bag. It's got this CC clasp opening there. I'm not sure if you can see, and then you sort of just tip it open, and to open it up, that's what it looks like. It does have one pocket on the back, and this one actually came with its authenticity card. This is a like 0 series bag, so from the 80s, and I mean you can really tell. This one is made in Italy, you can see there. But overall, quite a simple bag. I just love that it's got heaps of space inside. Now, I will say what I wish they did do with this bag was make this strap removable, just so you can carry it as like a little clutch. You still can and just hold the chain like behind, but I think it'd be really nice if I could even tuck the clutch in, but unfortunately it won't let me do that. It won't close, but I guess you can just hold it like this. Let me just show you guys what it looks like on me because it does fit pretty nicely. So this is what it looks like, a beautiful vintage bag. I probably would wear this with I guess more like casual clothing, so maybe just a white top, some pants. I'm not sure if it quite goes with this outfit, but I mean it's a black bag, so you could style it any way you want. I really just wanted to share this with you because I wasn't sure when I'd have the opportunity to share it. It's just a gorgeous bag. I just love it. I love the Kiss Lock closure of this. There's just something about like these purse style bags that get me, and I really love this tassel as well. So anyways, you guys, that is my 2 Chanel reveals for today. Something a little bit special because it is our final week of our February unboxing series. These 2 are just very quintessential Chanel. Do stay tuned though. In the last couple of days I also have some rather special unboxings, as I've already mentioned. Do let me know what you think of those 2 bags in the comment section below. As always, thank you to everyone who has been watching this series on the daily, those who have made me part of their daily routine. I really appreciate it, and it makes me feel really special. And if you are new here and you've just stumbled upon my channel, please go ahead and subscribe if you've liked this video so far. Check out my Instagram. As I mentioned, that's where I post a lot of pictures on styling these bags. And as always, you guys, I hope you're having a wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.